Hey guys, so when I did my iPad Air 4th generation unboxing, I also unboxed this Bluetooth keyboard, and a lot of you guys have been commenting on that video to do like a review, and I felt like that should be an amazing idea for a video, and so here is the review. It's just a playback of when I did the unboxing of the keyboard, so kind of mini enjoy that for a bit, and this one is slowed down rather than in the other video I fast forwarded so it would be quicker, but yeah. So this is what the keyboard looks like. It's very simple and cute. It's like a retro vibe, you know? And I also just decorate them with my panda stickers that my friend gave me. These, the keys are very clicky, although I prefer like a mechanic keyboard over a membrane. I think this one is still perfect. I just love the way you type it, and it just makes that cute, clicky ASMR sound. Unfortunately, mine did not come with batteries, but some other people got batteries, which is completely okay. I went out and I bought AAA batteries, and for this keyboard, you only need 2 of them. So you take the lid the lid off, and then you put it back on. This part may be a bit struggle for you guys, but it's okay. It's really easy. You just push it a bit. Okay guys, to start connecting your keyboard, you want to go into settings, go to Bluetooth, and then you want to click Control and C, well not Control C, F and C, and then it should pop up ajazz Bluetooth 3.0 keyboard. You guys want to click that and wait for it to process and connect to your iPad or whatever device you're using. Since I'm using an iOS device, I'm not sure if it's the same for Android, but hopefully it's the same. You go into Bluetooth and you connect it. After you're done, you want to click like FNC and E if you have iOS for it to connect even more. I'm not sure how that works. It told me that in the little booklet it gave me, but yeah, here's now a test typing. guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure to like and comment down below any ideas you guys have for future videos, and make sure to subscribe. Bye!